How to fix archive stories missing on Instagram. So to fix this problem, all you have to do now, after you open your phone like this, now go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile now, tap on this as can see now menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, after you open the menu like this, all you have to do now, tap on this as can see now archive section. After you open the archive section, as can see now, by default it will give you all your, as can see now here it says post archive, so you can be able to see all the posts that you archived them. So if you want to see the stories archived, so tap on this arrow beside the post archive. So now tap on this stories archive. So as can see now here you can be able to see all your stories archive on Instagram. But if you can't be able to see them, now I will show you 3 methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is, after you open this section now, tap on this 3 dot at the top right side, this 3 dot. As you can see, tap on this 3 dot. After you tap on the 3 dot, now tap on this settings option. So as you can see now, make sure as you can see now this option is turned on, where it says save story to archive. Make sure you turn it on. But if you found your own is turned on and you can't be able to see the story archive, all you have to do now, tap on this turn on option, turn it off, and wait for like 10 to 8 seconds. After you wait like 10 to 8 seconds, and go ahead and turn it on again. After you turn it on again, as you can see now, back on this, tap on this back arrow and tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this where it says story archive. Now change it to post again. After you change it to post, now tap on this, tap on the arrow again and change it to stories archive. So if you see your storage archive back, that's good for you. But if you can't see your storage archive, all you have to do now, close your Instagram app. After you close your Instagram app, if you are using Android phone or if you are using iOS phone, this second option is go to your Play Store, App Store, and just update your Instagram app. So I'm using Android phone, I'll just go and update my Instagram app. If you go to Instagram, just type Instagram in your Play Store, App Store, and update your Instagram app. After you update your Instagram app, now you can go back and follow the step that I show you to check if your Instagram story has back or not. But if you can't be able to see your Instagram stories archive again, all you have to do now, long press your hand on Instagram, uninstall the Instagram app and install it again. After you install it again, now all you have to do, go back to your Instagram and tap on your menu at the top right side, go to stories archive again. After you come to this archive, just as you can see now, by default you can be able to see it as you can see now like this as post archive. So change it to stories archive. So possibly if you try these 3 methods, you can be able to see your stories archive back on your Instagram. That's it on how to fix Instagram stories archive missing. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching, guys.